Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to buy stocks on Robinhood. So as of right now, you can see that the market is going wild, and some would say that now would be a good time to buy. Again, I'm not a financial expert, but let me just show you guys how to buy stocks on Robinhood. If you sign up with Robinhood through my referral link in the comment section below, you could get one free stock after you've successfully created your account. All right, I am on the Robinhood app. As you can see, I do have stocks invested on this brokerage account. The first thing you're going to want to do is add money to your brokerage account. You're going to go over to the bottom over here where you can see this person icon. You're going to click on it. As you can see here, it says buying power. Now this is how much I have in my brokerage account that is not invested in stocks. Your buying power is basically how much you have that is not spent yet, and the total value is my portfolio value. This is how much I have invested in stocks, and as you can see, the price is constantly going up and down just due to the fact that the stocks in my portfolio are constantly going up and down. In order to add money onto your brokerage account, you're going to go over to that person icon like I mentioned earlier, and then you see this section here where it says transfers. So you're going to click on transfers. And as you can see at the top here, you see transfer to Robinhood. So you're going to click on that. And now I'm just covering my information up here. You could select the amount that you want to deposit into your brokerage account. Let me just enter in a value here. So let's say I want to deposit $25 into my brokerage account. As you can see, there is that green check mark. As soon as you enter in the value that you actually want to deposit into your brokerage account, scroll over and click on that green check mark, and the value that you deposited will show under your buying power. Okay, so once you've done that, you have to search for the stocks that you want to buy. Now you could do so by clicking on this magnifying glass, and let's say I want to find McDonald's. As you can see at the top here, McDonald's, I'm going to click on it. And as you can see, I already have 3 shares of McDonald's, but let's say I want to buy more. You're going to go down to the bottom here where it says trade, click on trade. And then here you could either buy or sell it. So let's say I want to buy more McDonald's. Now here you could decide to purchase however many shares. Let's say I want to buy 5 shares of McDonald's stock at its current market price. Now, if you want to wait, say I want to buy 5 shares at $130. So you're going to go at the top here, click on this drop down, and you're going to click on limit order. So I realize I did a poor job explaining what a limit order is. So basically you get to decide what price you want to purchase that particular stock for. Now in the example I'm about to show you, I'm going to be trying to purchase 5 shares of McDonald's stock for the price of $130 per share. Even though the market value of the McDonald's stock is at $134 at the time of recording the video, I placed a limit order for $130 per share, which means that Robinhood would not buy any shares of McDonald's stocks for me until it hits that price that I determined in the limit order. Basically, you get to determine what price you purchase the stock at in hopes that the price will go down to that price, or for whatever reason go up to the price that you determined for your limit order. You're going to hit continue and say I want my limit price, like I mentioned, to be $130. Going to click on this green arrow here, and you could choose to go extended hours or market hours only. So let's say I only want this order open until 4 p.m. or if I want the extended hours, which is open until 6 p.m. So I'm going to click on extended hours. You could also choose good till cancel, which is up to 90 days. But let's just say I'm going to choose up until 6 p.m. today. And you get to select the number of shares that you're going to want to purchase at that particular price of $130. And it'll tell you the estimated cost. Now you have to have this amount in your brokerage account. So after everything is fine and dandy, you're going to click on this green arrow, and you've placed a limit order. Now, like I mentioned, if you don't want to do that, you could just simply click on just the market order and purchase the stock at whatever its market price is. Now, obviously, you can see that it's constantly changing and will be fluctuating as you are trying to buy the stock if you choose market order. As you can see, it just went down, went back up, and the estimated cost is consistently changing depending on the price of the stock. And that, in a nutshell, is how you buy stocks on Robinhood. If you have any additional questions, feel free to leave it in the comment section below. And like I mentioned, feel free to use my referral link and you and I will both get a free stock. If this video helped you out, feel free to leave a like. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.